Look at my face. What do you see?
A father? A teacher? A friend?
Well, the government's computer saw something else.
2 years ago, a machine decided I was a murderer. It didn't ask questions. It just scanned my face and said, 99% match.
The machine decided my fate.
It happened in a second. I was walking out of a grocery store. Suddenly, sirens. Police everywhere. They pushed me to the ground. I didn't do anything. I screamed.
The officer showed me a tablet. It was a photo of a man robbing a bank. He said, "My lawyer told me to stay quiet. My friends stopped calling. Even my family started to doubt me. Why? Because the computer is never wrong. Or so they thought. Everything happened so fast. I am a victim of a glitch."
In prison, you lose your name. You become a number. I spent my nights studying my own case.
I found the truth. The camera that caught the criminal was old. The lighting was bad.
The AI made a mistake.
A glitch. It confused a scar on my cheek with a shadow on his. I was in a cage because of a software update that failed. I had to prove them wrong.
1 year later, they caught the real guy. He lived 3 cities away.
He had the same jawline, the same eyes. They opened my cell and said,
Our apologies.
it was a technical error. They gave me my clothes back, but they couldn't give me back my time.
My job was gone. My reputation was ruined. People still look at me and see the AI criminal. Sorry is not enough. Life will never be the same.
Computers are smart, but they don't feel. They don't understand truth. So remember this, and when it is, someone pays the price.